Hello friends, welcome to Ranjita Pamist YouTube channel and Facebook page. Friends, today I welcome you all to the topic how to see the pending karma through the palm lines. Friends, this is the one of the most important topic I have ever covered on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page. Friends, this is the English version of the video. Hindi videos, if you are not comfortable in English, then you can just see the Hindi version of this video to see the pending karma, how to see the pending karma through the palm, and even chart I will come through the chart also. Even I have given the technique how to see the pending karma on my Facebook page, that if the dasa and mahadasa of 6th, 8th and 12th lords or planets placed in the houses connected with the 5th and 7th house dasa, then the person who will come in your life will hurt you and they will fade away from your life. That means whomsoever you have hurt in your past life, they will come to you, they will visit you and will hurt you, and that means they will clear their their past life karma to your pending karma, and they will fled away. Like this, I have given the technique on my Facebook page. Just if you want to get updated on my Facebook page, you can just follow or like my page Ranjit the Palmist, and you will get more and more techniques and more discussion you may get there, so that you get you like my Facebook page and YouTube channel. You can also subscribe my YouTube channel if you and I hope friends this video you will enjoy, and this is the most important topic I am covering today. And I will cover what are the pending karmas, which type of pending karmas you will be able to see through the palm, and how to see the pending karma through the palm. I will clear. Firstly, I will cover what are the pending karmas. Friends, today some of the sorts I have already covered what are the pending karmas. Let us discuss more details in this video. This video is not going to be very long, but 10 to 12 minutes video it will be go. But one thing I would like to assure you all friends, but because within 10 minutes each and every things cannot be covered in a single video. It will take more than this times I am taking today. That is why if you will apply this technique to see the pending karma, then you will see the result of 60 to 80% only. For if you want to know the pending karma and your accuracy must be to up to 99%, then you need to cover more and more on this topic. You need to go deep in this topic. And friends, if you agree on my techniques, then please do comment on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, so that I can get to know that how many of you all are connecting these techniques to yourself and to your relatives, if he may or she may have this type of lines or palm. Then friends, pending karma, I will show you that I am giving you one example. And firstly I would like to say that it should be seen on eldest brother, eldest sister, eldest daughter, eldest son, eldest bua, that means father's sister, and uh, father's sisters. And if your father is eldest, then your father will be covering in that pending karma, will come in the circle of the pending karma. And then and so on generation wise. And you will see, if I'm going to disclose what types of lines will show the pending karma. And if you will see this type of line, then you will see that if the marriage life of your eldest sister is challenging, then then father's sister, the marriage of father's sister will would have been also challenging, and you may go likewise to grandfather, and in the subsequent lineages, that means in further lineages you can see on your daughter and your eldest son and eldest daughter you can see, and your eldest grandson and eldest granddaughter you will be able to see. That means I hope you all be making understand of this what I would like to convey you. These all that means eldest son and eldest daughter, eldest brother and eldest sister, these all will have the challenges in their marriage life. If not challenges, then at least they will get problem in getting married, and they will get problem in getting pregnancy, getting birth of a child, and there if marriage will happen, then marriage will go on very challenging, and this type of formation will be carried out generation wise. So friends, if you want to stop it, that means further generation, your son or daughter or your grandson or granddaughter would not be covered in this circle of pending karma, then you need to clear your pending karma in this life birth, so that your son, your grandson, your daughter, your eldest granddaughter would have been freed from this pending karma. So that, and more, if you want to get more information, then you can visit my Facebook page, and there you can message me, so that I can clear you how to see and what are the pending karma and what are the remedies of this. Then friends, I think I have covered how to see, and many things I also can be seen disturbances in your within your house, within your house and within your family members, in on each and every petty matters you will be able to see that there are tensions in your family members, and there are mental disturbances because of the pity over the petty matters. People can understand like that. These are the symptoms of the pending karma. So you will be trying to do many things, but you may think that your legs are holding someone who are not giving you to progress, who are not giving you the chance to progress. You will feel like this. That means your career will also face challenges like that. That means these all are the symptoms of the pending karma. You will be connecting all this, and I hope you guys who are watching this video may all connect this type of symptoms to you, if you will look this type of line on your palm. So I request you all to confirm this prediction on my YouTube channel. You can comment there, and my Facebook page you can comment there. You can tell me your stories, you can tell me how are you seeing, how are you able to connect in your life with your sisters, brothers, with your even cousins, with your families or friends. I will welcome you all on this topic, because these are debatable points. That is why astrology is a science. Astrology has always a debate to conclude accuracy. So friends, I am going to disclose that how to see pending karma through the palm lines. See here, I have taken a symbol, pictorial symbol of a palm left. This is a palm of a left-handed lady, and you can be able to see, and these all are confirmed predictions that she has been she had the pending karma, and she had the symptoms as I detailed before in this video. So friends, here you will be able to see that this is the heart line, this is mind line, and this is lifeline. In heart line you will be able to see there are many chain like formation in her heart line. That means to whomsoever he would see or he would have hurt in her past life, they will come to her, or in her life they will hurt her and they will go from her life. And nevertheless, they may be of rigid nature. This type of people are of very rigid nature, and you may be experiencing, parents may experience this, that even one from 1 year or 6 months, from 1 year of childbirth, they can, that means they can guess how rigid they, that means this child have, this type of people have, they are very rigid minded person. They are very egoistic, I can say, but they are very rigid manner, and they want to do whatsoever they want to do on themselves, not with other helps. That is why, because of this rigidness, they always suffers in marriage life issue. Because if you want, if you will be rigid in your own way, if you want to run your own way, your home or your office, then definitely you will have challenges in your house and your career as well. Likewise, you can be able to see here also in another, see here, and all will be applicable to only eldest, that means daughter, son, or brother, sister, and other next generations, like that. Here you can be all, you can also be able to see how these are going. These all are showing this type of chain formation, this type of chain like formation are showing that these people will always get emotional setbacks. These people will not be satisfied in a relationship. These people will always get hurt. These people will always get cheated through from their girlfriends or from their boyfriends as well. That means their married life will always be challenging, like that. And one more thing I would like to disclose, friends, that the people whosoever are having this type of line, either they do not have sisters, or if they have the sisters, then their marriage life will be challenging, or there will be challenges in getting married, like that. You can confirm, you all are welcome on my channel. Friends, here also I am showing you this type of example so that you can understand how to see the pending karma through the palm only. See how many chin type formation are there on the heart line. Here also you can be able to see. One more thing I would like to add here, friends, that this is mind line and this is lifeline. And if you will be able to see that heart line is more dark with respect to mind line and lifeline, then these people will always have argument with any people. They will, these people will get cheated in their life always, this type. But these people have less pending karma with respect to those people who have chain like formation in their heart line. Here you can, and this is the same palm. Here you can also be able to see here the chain like formation. So the friends, I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and if you want to get another video on another topic, then please do not forget to subscribe this channel, so that you can't miss the upcoming videos. And friends, I thank you all to watching this video. I will come with another topic and with another video, with another energy with you. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.